Now, in this chapter, we are going to look at various metrics for your SEO performance. Now, in the earlier chapters, we have talked about how to set up SEO, search engine optimization, what are the different factors to look at. And for example, let's say suppose you have done all that groundwork and the traffic is started coming in from the search results. Now, it is very, very important to understand what is going on at the back end. That means what is working and what is not working, and what ideas can we look at to see what we have done so far is actually working for us. Okay, to do that, we can use a lot of tools, but one of the very major tool what we use is Google Analytics. It is again a free tool, and all you have to do is to verify your domain name and then register your domain name with Google Analytics on the platform. And then within few days, you will start to get the statistics or the numbers for your domain name. And there are various different forms of metrics which you can look at. You can create your marketing plan, or you can create your search engine optimization performance plan according to those metrics. Okay, now we will be looking at Google Analytics in this chapter, but we also have a full course for Google Analytics separately, which gives a complete idea from how to install Google Analytics onto your website, and how to measure all of those metrics in detail. Okay, what you're looking at as of now is a very overview of the metrics, and I feel that some of the metrics, it needs to be, it's quite important for you to look at initially. For example, where are your users are coming from? That means the location of the country. In here, India is number one, then United States, Bangladesh, Egypt, Indonesia. These are primarily at a very low level, but majority of the traffic comes from India and United States. So primarily, these are the two areas, or these are the two locations what you need to be focusing on. Now, let me tell you, our product is an online product, so that is why we have set as for any country, location specific. But if your product or services is a domestic one, and you do not deal in the location outside your country, then you can actually set and target that specific country only, which I will be talking about in the later chapter in this search engine optimization course itself. Okay, so one of the metric is where are your users are coming from. Then the second one is devices. Now, Google over a period of time has given a lot of importance and authenticity to mobile users, and it has been said that your website needs to be mobile friendly as well. Now, over here, we can see 88% of the traffic of this is coming out from desktop, then 11.9% is mobile, and the tablet is 0%. Okay, but it is only for the last 7 days. And if you look at the users by the time of the day, what time they come in, you can also see these metrics here. But initially, what you need to be looking at is, if your website is new, you need to be looking at some of the demographics, or the locations, and obviously the device metrics. And also, most importantly, that your page. So in here, you can see when you see the slash, that means it is more has been counting as the home page, and then the other pages of your website. That gives you a little idea that what other pages are actually more effective. And then when you know those pages are more effective because those getting more clicks, then you can actually optimize them. If they're not ranking onto the, if you have not optimized it, you can optimize it, and then you can start doing search engine optimization and get them ranked, because in Google eyes, these links are actually getting clicks. Okay, so these are the some different metrics, but we will be talking more about this in the later chapter, or we will be talking more detail in our Google Analytics course. And till then, stay tuned. I will see you in the next chapter. Bye for now.